In JavaScript, functions are declared like any other variable, and because of that, we can pass them around as parameters to other functions. So let's go ahead and write some code to explore that concept. We'll go ahead and get started by writing an add function, and this function will take two parameters. Let's call them A and B. In the body of the function, we will simply return A plus B. And we will go ahead and invoke it simply to see the functionality using console.log. And here we will write add and give it a couple of parameters. Let's use 1 and 1. And before we go ahead and execute it, let's go ahead and explore this concept. Let's write a function that will take as a parameter another function and execute it. So we'll call this, let's call it runner. And we will write the function, and remember this function will take as a parameter another function, and we will pass the function that we have above, and inside of it will execute it, and we'll pass to it two values just like above. Let's go ahead and make it 2 just so we can see some difference, and we will write the result into a variable, and then we will write that result to the console. So let's go ahead and write that in. Now we can go ahead and invoke runner, and we will invoke runner with the value, with the function that we wrote in the first line. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how this works. We'll go ahead and put a breakpoint at line 4 and another one on line 8. Now let's go ahead and move to the debugger, and let's go ahead and run this. As you can see there, we've stopped at line 4. I'm going to go ahead and move over that line. And as you can see here at the console, we have the value 2 as expected. I'm then going to run all the way till I get into console.log. And as you can see here, the result, if we mouse over the variable, we can see there that it's going to be 4. So I'm going to go ahead and run to the end, and as you can see there, we had the value of 4. So this turns out to be a tremendously useful thing because we can actually create functions on the fly and then pass them around as parameters, and this gives us a lot of flexibility. And we will explore that in further videos within this class.